In a lush, green valley where the trees tickled the clouds and flowers bloomed in a rainbow of colors, lived a little dinosaur named Arlo. Arlo was a bright green dino with blue spots, a curious tail, and a heart full of adventure. His favorite thing in the whole world? Berries. Juicy, sweet, red and purple berries. Every morning, Arlo would sniff the air, stretch his stubby legs, and race to the berry bush near the whispering waterfall. But one day, the bush was empty.
Oh no!
Arlo gasped. Not a single berry left. Just then, he remembered what the wise owl, Opal, once said, the juiciest berries grow at the very top of Berry Hill. But there was one tiny problem. Berry Hill wasn't just tall. It was gigantic, rocky, and steep, especially for a little dino with short legs. I'll do it myself, Arlo said bravely, puffing out his chest. He packed a small basket, tightened his berry bandana, and began the climb. He hopped over pebbles, squeezed between boulders, and even sang a little berry-picking song, berry berry high, berry berry low, climbing to the top, nice and slow. But halfway up, Arlo slipped on some loose stones and landed with a thump on his bottom. Ow, maybe I can't do this alone, he muttered, feeling frustrated. He sat on a warm rock, tears welling in his eyes. Just then, the ground rumbled. Boom. 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 A giant shadow fell over Arlo. He looked up and saw a huge boy with muddy shoes and the kindest eyes. Hi, the boy said with a deep but gentle voice. I'm Clyde. I heard you singing. Are you okay? Arlo blinked. I was trying to get to the top for some berries. But I fell. And now I don't know what to do. Clyde knelt down. That's a tough climb for someone your size. Want some help? Arlo hesitated. He'd always tried to do things himself. But he remembered what his mom used to say, even the strongest dino needs help sometimes. Okay, Arlo said, smiling shyly. With a grin, Clyde gently scooped Arlo into his shirt pocket, just the right size for a little dino. They sang together as they climbed, up we go to Berry Hill, teamwork gives us dino thrill. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Bye!